We've just acquired this lovely looking, very rare Focus 1.5 diesel. It's the ST-Line, so it's got the full sports body styling kit. It's finished absolutely lovely gleaming black, upgraded diamond cut style alloy wheels. Got the rear park distance control, the rear spoiler, rear diffuser. Really does look the part. Very economical. As you can see, the boot is all in superb condition, and you have the parcel shelf there. It's got electric windows, electric mirrors, the ST-Line interior with the red piping. Just step into the car. We've got the sync sound system. It's got a 6-speed gearbox. Do have 2 keys for the car. It's got a USB point there. This car does have satellite navigation, which is a nice optional extra. They don't all come with that. We've got your phone, so you've got your Bluetooth streaming there, air conditioning, multifunction steering wheel, start stop button. It's 98,257 miles. It's one owner from new. It has just been serviced, just had an MOT. At DJH, we do offer full dealer facilities, including finance packages, extended warranties and part exchange. So if you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.